What's going on, everybody? My name is Ray T, and today I'm here to do two unboxing of the Sengled smart lights and the Sengled smart light switch. Now, I got this from Amazon for I think it was 15 bucks. It comes with two smart light bulbs and a hub. You need the hub for it. You can control it with Amazon and Google. Check the sides. It comes with two smart light bulbs, a hub, internet cord, and a power adapter. Now with this one, I'm gonna read it. Let's see if I can get focus. Then we get focus and close enough. The lumen is 800 watts, 9.0, color 2700K. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to get this focus good enough for you. I can look at it. Well, it's not gonna work. I'm sorry guys, I do apologize. Now control your lights from anywhere. Make it look where you're home even when you're away. Wake up to the light, schedule your lights, turn on off automatic, and group control, dim, brighten, or turn on or off by bulb or room. Alrighty, now let's get this open. Okay, so this is what we got in the box. We got two smart light bulbs, we got the hub, we got the USB to power adapter to plug this in, and you can plug this into the plug adapter. And here is your internet port cable, and here comes, you get your booking guide. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install these suckers and see how they work. But first, before I do that, let's check out the Sengled smart light switch. Okay guys, so here's the Sengled smart light switch. Now to use this switch, of course, you need to use a hub. Here's the remote control, the wall mount, a couple of screws, you got tape, and it comes CR2032 battery. No wire required. You can use this to control easy group control lights. Not bad. And that's about it. All right, let's see what's in the box. All right guys, so this was in the box. So you got the bag of screws and the tape for it. Here's the remote control. So you put the battery in, get a little button sound. Okay, so this is the wall plate. First, if you want to mount this to the wall, it comes back here. You gotta take it off. Screw this. This is the backside area. Put it on, and if you see this, this is for the magnetic so remote control. Nice lined up. All right. Now let's get our light bulb, hub, and this setup on the phone. Alright guys, so download the app, that's Sengled Home. Here we go. We're going to go add device. And we're going to go to start kit or smart hub. Push start. We did that. And we did that. Okay, now we're looking for the signal. Okay, it found it. Go next. The hub's going to connect to my router. This may take 20 seconds, it says. It's connected to my Amazon. Alrighty. Still waiting. Still waiting. Alrighty. Congratulations. You have it set up. Please do not unplug the network cable from your hub. Got it. Go next. Leave that it. Actually, let's take that off. Just put it on smart hub. Put that done. Next. We got two light bulbs set up. I'm gonna go skip. We got that already connected. Alrighty. See. Okay, here we go. So bulb 1, control the lights. You dim, undim the lights. Okay. Top right. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what does it look like. Give me one. Alright people, I got light 1 to my left and light 2 to my right. Like I said, you could do two things with it. You could just say you control it from your phone or on your voice commands. Alexa, turn off light 1. Hey Google, turn off light 2.
Alright, turning the light 2 off.
There we go. Alright, next I'm going to try to go ahead and install the smart light switch. So on the top right, we're going to plus. And we're going to say smart LEDs and accessories. We can go there. I'm going to push confirm. And behind the remote control, you're going to pull a tab. Alrighty. Search device. It's going to take about a minute. I don't know if you hear the clicking sound. That's Alright guys, sorry about that. It took a long time to search for the remote control. I don't you have no idea. I keep on going, you know, cancel it, turn back on, cancel, turn back on. So I finally, well, it finally found the remote control, so let's go next. I'm gonna skip that. Yes, congratulations. Okay, skip. So here's the remote control. And this is how we're gonna set it up. So here we go. So how about this? So for the on button, let's go with this one. We want to select for one click. It would be one light bulb. For the double click, it would be 2 lights. And what's long press? Long press if you want to turn both of them on. So yes, we want to do that. Alrighty, so okay, I see. So if you go on, it would tell you like what to turn on what okay, sorry. On the on button right here, you have selections like, say if you have 2 light bulbs in your room. Select one of them. If you want both of them on, that's long press. I'm guessing if you have like a 3 light bulbs, I guess long press will be the third one. And again, you can't turn them on unless the third button, the long press, is both lights. So let's see, dim the light, turn off. Be the same. Okay, so we can go off. So we can go 1. Double click, we go 2. And long press is both. Save. Let's see the top right. That's about it. Let's name this remote control. Push OK. Alrighty. Let's test this out. Alright, let's check this out. Hold on. Huh. There you go. Double click. Alright, long press. Oh, nice. See in the lights. There we go. Okay, let me see. Double click this one. Ah, I get it now. Okay, so remember to tell you one click is for light 1 and double click is this one. Same thing with the dim lights. So again, if I want this one dim light down, double click, double click. Actually, it's both. So I probably have to fix that, but either way, I mean, shoot, it's not bad. So instead of get up, look for your phone, tell Google, tell Amazon, all you need is remote control. And again, people, if you do not want to pay people who does hardwire for your switch, you could use this. And plus, you could take it out and take it with you by the couch, the kitchen, anywhere. So, let's see. That's cool. I like that. Alright, people. my final thoughts about this brand. I gotta say, I like it. I like it a lot. So I look at the price one more time. So this was on a special deal. It was around $24, almost 25. But right now it's $35. That's a regular price for two light bulbs with a hub, and the switch is $20. Now if you want to get two of them, it's $40 with $10 off. So again, people, that's not really a bad deal. It's the good thing about the switch that say not only you have these, but say you have one of those strip lights, candle lights, outdoor lights, you could use a remote control for those too. I'm just saying. I mean, as many times me and my friend, well, actually more like my fiance, every time she asks for Amazon or Google to turn the lights on, turn the lights off, it doesn't respond back, or it'll say, I don't understand. Nothing's better to have a remote control. Now you're gonna say, why you need a remote control? You got a phone for that. There's times that say you try to look for your phone and you can't find it. So where's your phone? But either way, I do like this one here. Like I said, it's cheaper. I'm pretty sure people, homeowners, would rather get a smart switch than the wireless one. I don't blame y'all. Trust me, if I have my own home, I'd rather get a smart switch than a wireless smart switch. But again, you carry this remote control wherever you go. It just has to be in that main room. So, do I highly recommend get this plus add with the switch? I give it 2 thumbs up and a hell yeah. I mean, again, people, you can't beat the price. I mean, again, I understand people has money who's don't mind spend a lot of money like the Hue lights. I'm sorry. I mean, they're a good brand, but they're so freaking expensive. No offense to you guys, but these brands, I like it. You know, I never thought I would get one of these, but you know what? I'm happy I got them, and I can't wait to get more of these suckers, including the strip lights and the kind of lights for our place. So who knows? Maybe once we get a house, I'll probably have like 20 of these. I'm just kidding. Maybe. So anyway, people, tell me what you think. Leave a like and comment, subscribe. Is there any more questions you may ask? If I anything about these, please leave down a message. I will throw down a link of where to get these at and how much. All right, guys, you take it easy. Have a good night. Be safe and peace. What's going on, everybody? My name is Ray T, and today I'm here to do 2 unboxing of the Sengled smart lights and the Sengled smart light switch. Now, I got this from Amazon for I think it was 15 bucks. It comes with 2 smart light bulbs and a hub. You need a hub for it. You can control it with Amazon and Google. Check the sides. It comes with 2 smart light bulbs, a hub, internet cord, and a power adapter. Now with this one, let me read it. Let's see if I can get focus. Then we get focus and close enough. The lumen is 800 watts, 9.0, color 2700K. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to get this focus good enough for you. I could look at it. Well, it's not gonna work. I'm sorry guys, I do apologize. Now control your lights from anywhere. Make it look where you're home, even when you're away. Wake up to the light, schedule your lights, turn on, off automatic, and group control, dim, brighten, or turn on or off by bulb or room. Alrighty, now let's get this open.